Malcanium. We are going to learn about how enzyme works. Okay, I will explain it in thok nath. First, we are going to read this. We are going to learn about enzyme first in English, and then I will explain it better in thok nath. First, enzymes are special protein in the body that they speed up chemical reactions. That is the definition of enzyme. They can speed up chemical reaction. They are like helpers, and that makes cell processed happen quickly and efficiently. Each enzyme work with a specific substance, like key fitting into a lock. For example, enzyme help break down the food we eat so our bodies can use the nutrients. They are also involved in copying DNA and releasing energy from food. Enzymes are very important for keeping our bodies working properly. Ala enzyme malore enzyme jen a special protein ke jen amogwa a longre point jaga point ke loga point ko be chemical into ray point ala miten kon shamke bika malo let kapet aloken cherken kalwa. They are like helpers that make cell processed happen quickly. Jack can say lit into point at tari and wasme teleke kishudin katungnat beja shit case cells and jen ladien will be a cam calibi can malet kapet an enzyme shit ko a look and sally ko be can malet bigger letter gua mishal efficiently ki bigger letter wrong awa can enzyme ne each enzyme work with a specific substance. Can enzyme ne tin content to run wallet can go la kana let ka do kana makarwade alama ronka ke jan gwasum be can let ka jam. For example, chaun gwadu mala shed enzyme help break down the food we eat. Awa can la kan kwana danan chicham la kana wiya jak la kana wiya ngukala de tiene ko betane bakulo point kamandana be barar lokan point along an enzyme ko be kwana dana bo la nutrients ta dan ke energy ta bo point la energy ka jala kana wiya lel no inono be kana oti be kan man gwada be kan lat point be kan man jekta be kan yak. They are also involved in copying DNA and releasing energy from food. Akan ka wiya kan ka de content reje mi kan dial be kan ka lat point on gwasamo and a more board the langu la energy ka point. Enzymes are very important for keeping our bodies working properly. La enzyme jeti ki chemical te la point wiya jako be tencho point buka pet waken ram ko point na ko be point balet ko point cha be jak. Enzymes are crucial for various physiological functions. Waken take a dup to one let can enzyme ne gwada kon ko function long a digestion road respiration dio the DNA replication one the initial key energy reproduction. Digestion kwandana sham tangen kwankaja respiration ta dana yenat kaja take kabo DNA replication when the point de no be kwanambo key energy bo kuja mena ke bo kuja dodien lakana we had dagan gwadam energy reproduction but ta dana be point be take energy kaja ka dia local letke take initially amylase enzyme allo enzyme take amylase enzyme gen enzyme like it found in saliva that break down starches into simpler during digestion. La amylase gen a kel ka DNA ko DNA take a kel ki karo ka de ka gwasme bagurno biaje jekaname ka en amylase me la gen jakon ko ba jong hokono ajan tade dien amylase ndo enzyme ndo dien mishal ke DNA polymerase kada to gor jeno biya ka gor biya ka ngajbo man jog dien gwasame factor that influence enzyme ten content jak enzyme ko belet ki bajek factory that influence enzyme man yama wa temperature rewde pH diodien mutual inhibitors kana tokan dia awa akanten content ke enzyme men go longo no bingaje no enzyme point da jena chemical kika ngwane te ja chemical ko bikalet michi mit ke tada let point gaje bichu gorno jin bi nywana san ko ken ani biate kamal bye bye